What's up, everyone? I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. To get us started in today's video, we've got a pretty hot scoop from the PBD podcast. It's an interesting interview with Michael Saylor, where he boldly comes for cryptos, and especially XRP, claiming that they are all committing securities fraud. Saylor is a well-known Bitcoin maxi who's not afraid to share his opinions, and it seems like this time he had a lot to say about altcoins.
What are your thoughts about what's going on with Ripple and how he is handling the Ripple case?
Ripple's an unregistered security. It's pretty obvious. There's a company. The company owns a bunch of it. They sell it to the general public, but they never took the company public. There's no disclosures, right? So the SEC's position is you're selling an unregistered security. It's a crypto token. Right? Just like Ethereum is an unregistered security. It's controlled by a few people in the Ethereum Foundation and Consensus.
He further gives his opinion on Ethereum, Ripple, and the crypto community at large, saying that many altcoins, especially the leading smart contract platform Ethereum, are all committing securities fraud. He also named other altcoins, including XRP and Solana. According to Saylor, the only ethical crypto asset is Bitcoin, as all others fit the definition of securities. Therefore, he further advises that the best thing for the world would be if the SEC pretty much shuts down all of it. He claims that Bitcoin's position would be an ethical commodity.
Then here's
Just like
a question.
FTT, just like Solana.
Perfect, but here's a follow-up on that,
They're all
Michael.
unregistered securities.
Here's a follow-up on that.
Right.
I don't own a single Ripple, just so we know. So full
Yeah.
disclaimer, I'm not a Ripple guy. But if both of them are unregistered, why target Ripple and not target Ethereum the way he is targeting Ripple? And by the way, this is coming from a guy that owns Ethereum, not Ripple.
Yeah, I think the best thing for the world would be if the SEC pretty much shut down all of it.
As always, welcome back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP Army. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates.
Right? I mean, the Bitcoin position would be Bitcoin is an ethical commodity. All of these other altcoins are unregistered securities. They're all just equity tokens issued by a company in order to get around going public, and they're committing securities fraud.
Ethereum included.
Of course, especially Ethereum. You know, Ethereum's got $20 billion of ETH token locked up in the staking contract right now, and there's a couple of people that may or may not give it back to you ever. Now, isn't that the definition of investment contract? If a bank took $20 billion of your assets, froze the window and said you can't have your money back ever, maybe in the year 2024, we're not sure. We're just going to keep it. We may actually give you interest on it. We may take it all. We may slash it. That's the definition of a security, right? It's an investment of money in a common enterprise, relying upon the efforts of others and expectation of profit. The whole point is, if you want a crypto asset to be a commodity, you can't rely upon 4 engineers, a company, a CEO. If a person can make a decision.
Guys, Ripple and XRP, BEP20, are available for staking. Yep, you heard that right. And that's not all. 24 words of recovery, more than 200 tokens, and cryptocurrencies in 9 networks. Where, you ask? RSTAKING is the perfect platform for anyone who doesn't like the SEC or doesn't want the government up in their business. This platform offers complete privacy to its users. And here's the kicker. There's no withdrawal limit. Fixed 25% APR per year on all tokens and crypto coins. The platform also offers a free $5 to every new user. The bonus is credited with RHIN tokens. In addition, RHIN token withdrawal will be possible in 2023. Right now, RHIN token is available for staking only. All rewards are only credited in BUSD or Tether USDT. Rewards will accrue every 3 hours. And the best of all, staking can be closed by yourself at any time. Check this out, guys. Now, you might be wondering why all this matters or why I'm even telling you this. And Saylor is not just some guy, not the government or the regulators. Well, while Saylor may not have any position in the regulator's office, he's a representation of the Wall Street institutional mindset. And what's so scary about this is that following the whole FTX fiasco, now these are the kinds of conversations that we are having about crypto. To me, it feels like adding wood to the fire. What we need right now is to find solutions to the problems we have in the crypto industry. And it seems like Michael Saylor might not be the only one who feels that way. We can see that Jim Cramer has also been urging investors to exit their positions. He further says that it's never too late to sell a bad position. Cramer also boldly said that the whole thing seems like a bottomless scam. It's just a giant con, referencing to Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and all other altcoins. This guy is definitely leading everyone to a slaughterhouse.
The cryptocurrency collapse is like a farcical reenactment of the dot-com meltdown from 22 years ago. I'd also add that the more marginal crypto coins, think XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon, which currently represent $50 billion in assets, they might be headed to, I don't know, maybe zero. I've been telling you to avoid this crypto now for ages too. It's never too late to sell an awful position, and that's what you have if you own these so-called digital assets, which may not be worth the paper that they will never be printed on. Gold has lost its ability to be a hedge, and we all have to recognize that. I prefer crypto to gold. Wow. He didn't really say that, did he? Yes.
And as we wind down on today's video, I'm going to leave you with this interesting tweet from XRP Darren. He shared that Jamie Dimon says crypto is a sideshow. Doesn't mean blockchain isn't real or smart contracts or Web3. It means crypto that doesn't do anything are pet rocks. He went from it's poison to utility coins are good. While most cryptos have no utility, we know at least one that is dead set on changing the world. XRP.
Can I throw into the mix, which I think is a small piece, but maybe you think it's a bigger piece? Janet Yellen called the failure of FTX last week a Lehman moment in crypto. I don't know if you think that's contained and doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a symbol of something larger that's happening in the economy?
Crypto is a complete sideshow, okay? And you guys spend too much time on it, and I've made my views perfectly clear about crypto tokens are like pet rocks. And there's people hyping this stuff up. That doesn't mean blockchain is not real.
Right.
That doesn't mean smart contracts won't be real or Web 3.0. But cryptocurrencies that don't do anything, I don't understand why people spend any time. But I don't think she meant it's a Lehman moment. I think she meant it's a Lehman moment for crypto.
Yes.
But crypto is worth $1 trillion. The other thing the American public should look at when you look at crypto, if you look at all the buying and selling, so Bitcoin's worth like under $1 trillion today, and we're not even sure that's a real market, by the way. There's 20 to 30 billion of ransomware a year that we know about, 20 to 30 billion of exchange costs that we know about, lots of AML, anti-terrorism financing, tax avoidance, sex trafficking. And why we allow this stuff to take place? And I think, the regulators that beat up on banks should maybe focus a little bit more on things like crypto.
All those things were doing pretty well before crypto, but
so they've mitigated to the easiest place.
Yeah, but it was what crypto's about 2% of the.
I know.
Let me ask you this, and this is what might keep me up at night. So wage price spirals.
As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can let us know always what you think in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. Couldn't be here without you. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications. That way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again. We will see you on the next Money Side.